So over the weekend, it got super windy here, and the wind caught my vent cover and broke the transmission arm, which was a bummer because now the cover was like propped open. When it started to rain, I had to cover everything with a towel. Well, fortunately, it wasn't open all the way. But eventually the wind blew it closed because that was a really good thing. Because then it got cold, really cold. So at least my heat wasn't going out the window. So I had the guys from the mobile tech come over, and they got up there and they fixed the arm, but they said that the gearbox had gotten messed up too. So they had to replace the gearbox, and that was a very fortuitous repair because the new gearbox made the fan Automagical. I think it was supposed to be Automagical before, but it didn't work. Probably because the gearbox was messed up. But now it's Automagical. I'll show you. You just push the button. You see that turning all by itself? Cool, huh? So I think that's a very, very good thing. I don't have to reach up over my head and twist, which is difficult for me. So now it just opens. I push the button again and it'll close. Fan shuts off. It's an awesome thing.